Day 4 of my road trip and I'm in Bandon, Oregon, one of my favourite places on the coast. This morning I'm heading down to the beach to walk from the pelican statue to Face Rock. The Circles in the Sand team are here again today, and I've heard that this will be the biggest labyrinth yet, and I couldn't miss it. The walk along the beach is absolutely stunning. These rock formations are massive, some of them are like ancient monuments shaped by time and tide. At low tide you can even explore caves tucked into the base of the rocks. I take my time peeking in tide pools. There are bright starfish clinging to the sides, purple, orange and deep red. It's like they're painted here. And this rock formation looks like a headless woman backpacker. Everything about this coastline feels wild and alive. Then I see it, the Labyrinth. This one is huge, the biggest one I've seen, hand-raked into the sand and waiting to be walked before the tide comes in and wipes it all away.
It's getting brighter, I've been up all night. You've been my world, and don't have light. Getting you closer, it's harder than I ever thought in my whole life. Hey, where are you now? I know that you need someone around. You know you can blame it all on me, so don't mind if you get lost again. Cause I'm getting lost in it, cause I'm getting lost in it. And I can let go like this, and tell me you need me too. Cause I'm getting lost on you, cause I'm getting lost in it. And I can let go like this.
So I walk it slowly, no real goal, no destination, just winding around in circles like a slightly more spiritual version of being lost in IKEA. But honestly, it's kind of awesome, peaceful and fun. We don't always need a straight path, sometimes a loop is exactly what you need. Now that was awesome. The next stop, we're going to the Bandon Dunes resort to hike to the other labyrinth. And after that we're going to the Coquille Lighthouse. It was so windy here, 45 miles an hour winds. Hold on to your hat or it'll be gone forever. Before leaving Bandon, I wanted to show you how big my campsite was at Bullard Beach State Park. It was a huge site and really secluded. Anyway, I'm about to head back and I'm going to take you to Sahalie Falls on the way home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.